Hey everybody, welcome back to Crank's Fab Shop. In today's video, we're going to be working on this RX-7 behind me. Doing a little exhaust work to have it from sounding like this to sounding like this. Ha! You thought I was going to post the end result at like 15-20 seconds into the video? No, you're going to have to stick around for those results. Anyway, let's get you all set up and go ahead and lift this car up and start pulling the exhaust off. Let's go. We're going to be installing this vibrant resonator. So it's a 3.5-inch exhaust on this thing. We're going to be putting the resonator around this area. So let's grab that, sort of mock it up. I'm going to put some cut lines on just to sort of get an idea. There we go, not too bad, just a little awkward. So we got the exhaust out, we've got our Evolution saw here, so we're gonna get this thing situated. I don't really have a good workbench. I really need a good workbench for this type of stuff. We may make one later, but for now, we're gonna use the motorcycle lift because it'll work. And I got a table over here to help us with this exhaust where it is so long.
That's what she said.
All right, so I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and we're gonna get this thing situated and start getting it cut up. When welding stainless, you always want to have the proper PPE on. This stuff's pretty nasty to breathe in. All right, guys, so we've got the exhaust all welded up. We got that resonator welded in there. And, you know, it turned out not too bad. Let's get this exhaust back in the car. Once Michael comes to pick it up, we'll go for a quick rip with him to make sure there's no issues. And we'll finally be able to see what this thing sounds like with that vibrant resonator in there. All right, guys, there you go. We installed the resonator on this Mazda Rx-7. That's where we're going to end this one. Thanks for watching. Ha! I got you. There's no way I could just let this video end without letting you all hear it. So it is Tuesday night. I'm going to message Michael, let him know that we've got it ready for him. and we'll do a sound comparison whenever he comes to pick the car up. So we're going to continue this video whenever Michael gets here. So stay tuned. Ready when you are. Yeah.
That's a lot quieter.
Well, good. That's what we were wanting, right?
Yeah. That's a big difference.
It sounds good idling there, like it's got a good tone to it.
It almost like it brought out the rotary tone a little bit more. No, it kind of just seems like it brought out the rotary tone a little bit more instead of like being so raspy.
Yeah.
At least just from backing it up.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like from what we've heard, you know, without revving it, it doesn't sound nearly as raspy.
I think.
So, the exhaust may have you keep it, huh?
Probably not.
I did tell him in the video earlier that the car was for sale, so I'll put in the description whether or not it is. Well, how's it sound inside? Better?
Yeah, I don't really hear anything really.
As far as the tone?
Oh, I think it's the tone's very similar. It's just a little quieter, I think.
Okay.
It's definitely, I think it's smoothed it out too, though. Like it's not nearly as raspy as it was. Go off the tires in a second.
Yeah.
I don't know where this turns at. So
I'll show you.
I like it. I think it made a good improvement.
It sounds good, yeah.
It sounds at like 60. It's bad. This car really wasn't that drony before either.
Yeah.
But I think it definitely helped that too.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, we're sitting here talking at a normal, like it's, you know.
It seemed worth it to me.
That's good. Glad to hear that.
Yeah. I'll have to get a video of it revving it outside when we get back.
Yeah.
Kind of see how that sounds. Yeah, this thing kind of comes on like a big turbo 4-cylinder. Have you noticed back there, like?
Yeah.
It's just like it's pretty dead.
And then
turbo
all of a
lights up,
sudden,
and
yeah.
then the tires are like, we're not getting any traction.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how my Evo 9 was, which it was because it was a big turbo 4-cylinder.
Yeah. But like a Evo at whatever power this car makes, like almost 500 wheel, is way more responsive.
Yeah.
Like if you have a proper size turbo. So that's like the other thing I don't love about it. I mean, that is kind of like the rotary life a little bit, I feel like.
Yeah.
Like this car would probably be a lot better with the smaller turbo and making like 400. And because, you know, the chassis is pretty light.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Give me one more. There is flame on that first one. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, so you just saw the comparison video, the before and after of the RX-7. Before we installed that vibrant resonator and after we installed that vibrant resonator. So let me know in the comments below. Drop a comment below right now to let me know, did you like the before or the after? I know which one I personally liked. I'll drop that in the comments after a few of y'all have posted in the comments which one I thought sounded better. Did you see that fireball? That thing was shooting flames. It about got me. I was standing there recording and I was behind the exhaust and I thought, you know what, I should probably move. And as I was moving out from behind, sure enough, it about got me. Look there, got our Cranks Fab Shop shirt on. So these are just sort of I wanted to get these done real quick because we were going to a show and I wanted some shirts. We do have a few things to change on the design and just a few things to figure out. But drop a comment below if you think you'd be interested in a Cranks Fab Shop shirt, Cranks Fab Shop hat, any type of merch, something Cranks Fab Shop, you know. We got a few things that we can work with. If you have a particular vehicle that we have here, one of my projects, that you would like to see on a shirt or something, you know, let me know. But anyway. Michael just left with his RX-7 and we're already planning some more projects on his other cars. I won't go into details. I'll just say we're gonna do a little work on an Evo 5, which I'm really excited about. I do really like the Evo 5s and Evo 6s, as well as his R33 GTR we're gonna do some work on. All right, guys, that's where we're gonna end this one. Thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you later. Give me one more.